Hello everyone, it's 2nd January. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. On the first page, we have centre's tobacco tax regime to begin effect from February 1. Again, very important for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have heavy rush at India Gate, traffic snarls at Delhi rings in New Year. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Moving forward, we have ancient Marathi literature reveals savannas are not degraded forests. Again, very important for environment as well as history perspective. Moving forward, we have from encroachment to legal ownership. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have why does India need climate resilient agriculture? Again, very important for agriculture perspective. Then we have the Aravali question faces the brunt of India's fondness for strategic exemptions. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have DRDO will play key role in India's air defense, says Rajnath. Again, very important for defense perspective. Then we have first Vande Bharat sleeper train to ply between Guwahati and Kolkata. Again, very important for infrastructure perspective. Then we have commercial cylinder price up by rupees 111 AATF cut by 7%. Again, very important. Then we have export of technical textile witness 1.2% dip in April to October. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have the world page where we have Ukrainian drone strike in Kherson kills 24, wounds at least 50, says Russia. Then we have fresh clash kills 6 in Iran, cost of living protest. Then we have Zohran Mamdani, Democrat, sworn in as New York City mayor. Then lastly, we have Kim praises troop in alien land and hails invincible alliance with Russia. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.